Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block unknown callers on your iPhone. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, there are multiple ways to block unknown callers on your iPhone, starting with the first one, that is the easiest. You can simply go to phone application, and if you're getting calls from unknown callers, you can select that particular unknown number, and after that, if you go down, you get an option of block contact. You can select that, you get a pop-up screen which says you will not receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime calls from block contact. So you can select block contact, and now you can see this call is blocked. So in future, you won't be receiving any calls or messages or emails from this particular number. Now the problem in this method is that you have to do this process for every unknown number. But if you don't want to do this, you can follow the second method, and for that you can simply go to settings option, search for phone, select phone apps option, and once you are on this particular page, you can go down, and over here under screen unknown callers, you get three options. One is never, second one is ask reason for calling, and third one is silence. See, if the option is set to never, then unknown numbers can call you. If you select the second option which says ask reason for calling, it means calls from the unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings, and based on that you can decide whether you want to pick the call or you want to decline it. So yes, if you want some unknown numbers or some unknown callers to call you, then you can select this second option. Now the third option is silence. If you don't want any unknown calls, then you can simply select silence option. You can also read the information which says calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recents list. So if you want to check the voicemail, you can do that, and based on that, after that you can decide whether you want to call back on that number or not. Also make sure to turn on unknown callers filter over here like this. So that's it. This is how simple it is to block unknown callers on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.